Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change button size in Free Fire on Android to boost your aim and movement. Let's dive in. Open Free Fire on your Android phone. Tap the gear icon in the top corner. Now go to the in-match section. Then tap Controls. Next, tap on Custom HUD. Now you'll see all your on-screen buttons. Tap on the button you want to resize, like the fire button. A slider will appear on the screen. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the button size. You can also resize jump button, crouch button, scope button. Drag buttons to reposition them anywhere on the screen. Make sure they're comfortable for your thumb position. Test the layout in training grounds before saving. Once you're done, tap Save. That's it. You now know how to change button size in Free Fire. Like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.